As the school year winds down, many parents may be searching for fresh sneakers for their kids. The Nike Dunk Low remains a popular choice for grade school releases and returns in a new desert ochre colorway with updated textures. This edition sticks to classic color blocking, with desert ochre featured on the overlays and outsole. A suede swoosh adds a soft contrast, while white canvas quarter panels offer a clean touch on both sides. The toe box and collar are done in white leather, while the overlays use a rugged nubuck, giving the shoe a durable, workwear-inspired feel. The overall look echoes previous Flax and Curry Dunk styles. The Nike Dunk Low G's Desert Ochre is expected to drop in fall 2025 through Nike and select retailers, priced at $90. This release blends everyday wearability with premium textures, making it a solid pick for the upcoming school season.